Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of the daily grind and longing for that millionaire status, then you've come to the right place. Imagine living a life of financial freedom where money is no longer a concern. Well, today, I'm going to reveal the 10 quickest ways to make $1 million. I've done extensive research and compiled a list of the most effective strategies that have helped countless individuals achieve their financial dreams. So let's dive in. Way 1. Real estate. Investing in real estate is one of the fastest and safest ways to build wealth. With careful research and strategic acquisitions, you can leverage properties for maximum returns. Imagine being the proud owner of multiple income-generating assets. Way 2. Entrepreneurship. Building a successful business is a surefire way to skyrocket your income. Identify a problem, create a solution, and unleash your entrepreneurial spirit. It might require hard work and dedication, but the rewards are limitless. Way 3. Stock market. Mastering the stock market can be challenging, but if done right, it can lead to huge financial gains. Take the time to learn about stocks, diversify your portfolio, and stay updated on market trends. The potential to multiply your investment is within your grasp. If you are new to the channel, then click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell for regular updates. Way 4. High-yield investments. Explore high-yield investment options such as bonds, mutual funds, or even cryptocurrencies. These alternative investments can offer higher returns, but be sure to consult with a trusted financial advisor before diving in. Way 5. E-commerce. The rise of e-commerce has opened up incredible opportunities for aspiring entrepreneurs. From dropshipping to creating your own branded products, the internet provides a global marketplace at your fingertips. It's time to tap into this digital goldmine. Way 6. Freelancing. Thanks to the digital revolution, freelancing has become a lucrative career path. Whether it's writing, graphic design, programming, or social media management, your skills can be in high demand. Build a strong portfolio, market your services, and watch the money roll in. Way 7. Online courses. Share your expertise with the world through online courses. Your knowledge and experiences are valuable, and people are willing to pay for them. Teach a skill, solve a problem, and enjoy the rewards. Way 8. Leveraging social media. Harness the power of social media to build a personal brand. From becoming an influencer to partnering with brands, the possibilities are endless. Create appealing content, engage with your audience, and turn your following into a monetizable asset. Way 9. Network marketing. Don't underestimate the power of network marketing. Build a strong network of like-minded individuals, promote quality products or services, and earn passive income through commissions and bonuses. It's about building relationships and growing together. Way 10. Investing in yourself. Last but not least, invest in yourself. Continuous learning, personal development, and expanding your skill set will open doors you never thought possible. The greatest investment you can make is in your own potential. So there you have it, the 10 quickest ways to make $1 million. Remember, success comes to those who are willing to take action and step outside their comfort zones. Now is the time to seize the opportunities that lie before you. Are you ready to join the ranks of the financial elite? As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos.